Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace your air filter on your side-by-side. I have a 2017 RZR 1000 XP. The procedure is pretty much the same whether you have the 4-seater or 2-seater. The air filter is located in the back here. We're going to jump right into it and show you how it's done. These are really cheap. I replace these about every 500 miles on my machine. It's just cheap insurance. It's one of the best ways to extend the engine life on your UTV. About every 2 to 3 rides, I'll take out the air filter, use an air compressor, and spray down, some of the dust and things like that. You can also buy a K&N reusable air filter where you can just wash it instead of replacing it. But I figured, again, these are fairly cheap. It's really easy to install. About every 500 miles, I throw another one in there. So let's get going. Okay, if your UTV has a cooler box or anything like that, you're going to want to remove that first. All right, and then located on the bottom here is a little pull-up handle. You pretty much just pull that up, pull it out, comes right off. All right, here we have the air box. We have 4 clips, so you're just gonna wanna unclip each one. And the cover should come off. Sometimes you gotta put your finger down here on the bottom to release the bottom ones. There we got our air filter. All right, and to remove the air filter, you just kinda gently grab it, pull it off. Super easy. All right, as you can see, this guy's pretty dirty. I've been spraying him down with my air compressor, like I said, about every 2 to 3 rides, but I'm coming up on 500 miles on my machine, so I'm just gonna pop a new one in there. Just a quick side-by-side comparison between the old dirty and the new clean, just to give you a general idea. All right, we got our new air filter here. You're gonna wanna make sure there's grease on the inside here. It just makes it install a lot easier. A lot of the times, these come with a little bit of grease already right out of the box, but you're just gonna wanna install it in the reverse steps. So just slide it right on over, like so. Before putting the cover back on, I take a clean microfiber cloth. Just kinda wipe it down real quick, get some of that residual dust out of there. All right, now we're gonna take our cover and reinstall it. I always found putting the bottom clips on first, getting them ready and in position, makes the whole process a lot easier. So you're just gonna wanna slide that thing on. Make sure it's seated properly because there is a little gasket that runs along the perimeter here. You just wanna make sure everything's sitting flush how it should be. I always run my fingers along the outside just to, you can usually tell if it's not seated properly around the outside, but we're good to go. Okay, and then reinstall the cover here. Usually put in the top first and then push down till it clicks. We're all set. Well, everyone, I hope you found this video informative and helpful on how to replace your air filter on your side-by-side. If you'd like to know where I buy these, I just get them on Amazon. It's the cheapest I found them with the fastest delivery. I'll put a link below if you'd like to check it out. Greatly appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.